Good morning. I have a bird on me. And he's very interested in the phone, as always. He's like, I'm going to get to it. But I don't really want him to get to it. Gabriel is sitting here in his jammies doing his school. And we're having kind of a lazy day. Right, Cornelius? Right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hello. He is very cuddly. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hmm? Where's he going? Oh. Oh. Cornelius. Cornelius, Cornelius.
Don't headbutt my lens.
He was singing him in. Oh, yeah, Cornelius. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. What do you think? Can you do that? Your turn. Now he's gonna be quiet.
Oh my gosh.
So Horatio's up here for lunch, and he has been carrying his phone in his pocket all day with Christmas music playing. And so anytime we're anywhere and you hear Christmas music getting closer, we know that he's coming. And it's like, you can't hide, honey. You can't hide.
I'm trying to.
You're so full of Christmas cheer.
Hi, welcome back to Chef Gabriel. So today we will be making club cracker caramel bars. And this is my drink. Ooh.
Okay, so Gabriel just finished one of his entire auditions and half of the other one that are both, like, all of them are due this weekend. But I decided, since he sort of had like a runny nose, I wanted to get the singing, at least the singing parts, done in case for some reason it like gets worse. Because, I mean, he's not 100% right now, but I just said, let's get this done because it could get worse and then it would be even less good, you know. So he got the singing stuff done, and the scene for one of them, and that's been sent away. And the other one, he'll do the scene probably tomorrow. Yeah. And yes, those of you who are watching who might be just finding out that Hugh Jackman has COVID, I do know that he has COVID. I'm getting messages from people telling me, did you know that this happened? Yes, because Gabriel has already been praying for him. Like, literally praying that Mr. Jackman will get well very soon and he can resume his performances. So, yeah. So many people are getting sick. So many shows are being postponed or canceled or put on hold or whatever. And it's sad. The positive thing is, I think that people are, it's been around for so long now that I think people are learning how to navigate and how to move on a little bit. I mean, yes, things have to pause, but then I think that it's a whole new animal. Mom and I are going to take a walk. So, gonna get a drink of water first. Yes. Look, everything matches, even my water bottle. So Mom and I are sitting on the sun porch listening to the bird.
Watching the sun go down.
And yeah, it's getting darker. Cornelius is over there saying all of the things that he can say. And probably other things that I can't understand what he's saying, but he's talking. He's said Cornelius, Cornelius, Cornelius many times, and he just said it again. We've decided that his voice sounds like it's coming through an old Victrola, because it's like. But he says pretty bird. He says Cornelius. He says, what you doing? What else does he say?
I'm prepared for him
Baby.
to say pretty baby.
Pretty baby. Or like baby bird. Yeah.
Baby bird.
Yeah. And he's whistling his songs. But I'm sitting here looking at summer programs for...
Oh, baby bird.
Baby bird. Baby bird.
I'm so happy.
And he's laughing. He goes, But looking for summer programs for Julian, because I want him to do something cool this summer. And he's been to Blue Lake Fine Arts Camp for like a long time ago, when he was like, how old was he? 10? 9? I don't know. He was really young, and he went to a violin camp. And that was great. And I know that he could do theater and music, and he could do all sorts of stuff at that camp, and that would be cool. But I'm also looking into the program that's at Northwestern University. And I'm also looking at Berkeley in Boston, because that's where my uncle works. But I want to find a good program, a summer program for him. So if you are watching and you know of some really cool summer programs for either theater, like acting on stage, or acting on screen, or music, or things that he could do, like all of the stuff that he does, I doubt that he will be able to find something that uses all of the things that he can do. He'll have to specialize in like one thing. But I really want this summer to be a summer where he gets to do things like that, and go away on his own, because it'll be a good practice for, in 3 years when he probably goes away to college. We are playing a new game that we got for Christmas. It's very interesting, and there are so many different ways to play, and I highly recommend it.
Oh, yeah.
There's a plane.
Fighter jet.
A fighter jet?
It was low.
No, it was a fighter jet.
Wow. Now we're watching, what's it called?
The Book of Boba Fett.
The Book of Boba Fett, because the first episode just released. It was good. It was very good. And now we're all very tired. And Horatio is asleep with his hat sideways. I think he's actually awake. Are you awake?
I'm trying.
This is my final clip, because I think that my vlog has been definitely long enough today. Tomorrow I have to get the other boys' self-tapes done, and I also we have a family self-tape that we have to get done. And yeah, this is my final clip.
Final clip. Hey, look, my tooth's growing in.
It is. That's good. It's coming in. So yeah, until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.